how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Is it possible? The answer lies in affiliate marketing. And yes, you can earn money online with affiliate marketing if you choose the right platform and learn from the best affiliate marketers on that platform. Whether you have an existing product or service or are looking to sell other people's products and services, affiliate marketing can be one of the most lucrative ways to earn money online because you only pay when you get results, no upfront costs or large ad spends required. Let's get started the video. Question number 1.
What is affiliate marketing?
Affiliate marketing is a commission-based performance marketing system that rewards affiliates for generating sales for their own or other companies' products. With affiliate marketing, merchants are able to reach a large audience and give these potential customers a way to access and buy goods without having to pay the full price. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that it's not necessary to have your own product, you just need to be creative. You can find any type of product from different brands, promote them on your blog or social media account, and get paid for it. It does take some time and effort on your part in order to earn money online through affiliate marketing, but if you're willing to put in the work, then it can be very rewarding. Question number 2.
Why is it a great way to earn money online?
Because it's free and easy. It doesn't require any startup money or a company of your own, just a website and some time. All you need to do is find affiliate programs that offer products you like, blog about them, and get paid when someone buys through your link. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. There are many different affiliate programs out there that can help you make money online by letting you promote things you already love. Make sure to sign up for as many as possible so you have more than one way to make money. Question number 3.
How does affiliate marketing work?
It's also one of the most popular ways for bloggers and website owners to make money. When you sign up for an affiliate marketing program, you get a unique link that you can share anywhere from your social media posts, blog posts, forum signature, and more. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase in your chosen niche, it will earn you commission. So, now that you know how affiliate marketing works, let's take a look at some of the best affiliate programs out there right now. Question number 4.
What are the best affiliate programs?
As a beginner, there are many great affiliate programs that allow you to promote their products and services through your website, social media pages, blog posts, emails, and more. When someone clicks on your affiliate link or makes a purchase using your affiliate code, you will get paid a commission. The commission can be anywhere from 20% to 75%. Join one of these great programs today and start making money. Amazon Associates. One of the best things about this program is it doesn't require any special knowledge of what you are promoting. You don't have to write blogs, do email marketing campaigns, or anything else. Just send people who come to your site to Amazon when they want to buy something. It has a low cost per click, so it's easy for anyone who wants a quick way make some extra cash without much effort. Question number 5.
What are the best ways to promote affiliate products?
Simply set up an account and start promoting products. Here are some tips on how to get the most out of your affiliate marketing campaign. Create a website that's focused on one product and create content around it. This will help you rank higher for that specific product in search engines, which means more people will see your site and click through to buy the product. Reach out to influencers in your niche who have large followings on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Share their posts and send them messages offering to promote their products in exchange for a commission. You can offer them free samples if they give you permission to use their photo, video, and promotional materials. Don't forget about YouTube channels where creators review different products every day, so reach out to those creators by sending them an email. Be sure to include links back to your site. They may not respond right away, but don't be afraid to ask again later because many will eventually say yes when they're ready. Question number 6.
What are some common mistakes people make with affiliate marketing?
The most common mistakes people make when trying to earn money online through affiliate marketing are not reading the terms and conditions of a program before signing up, not researching the company they are going to work for, or not following the rules. A lot of people think that they can just sign up for any program and start making money right away without putting any work into it. If you are going to put in any amount of time and effort into a business, you should at least do some research on it. Doing so will help prevent misunderstandings and disputes that may happen later. It is important that you read over the fine print before signing up for anything. Question number 7.
How do affiliates make money?
Affiliates make money by being a middleman for companies who don't have the time or resources to do it themselves. They search out products they think their customers will like and then send them to you through ads on their website, social media channels, emails, blogs, and other promotional methods. You pay a certain percentage of the sale price for these items, usually around 20%, which is paid directly to your affiliate as commission. Affiliates are able to earn money by getting a commission on products they sell as well as through advertising fees from companies they promote. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need an online presence that's built up enough that people will see your posts and follow you back on social media. Question number 8.
Finding affiliate programs.
Finding affiliate programs that suit your needs is one way to make more money online through affiliate marketing. Make sure you choose affiliate programs which offer high commissions, low refins, and no caps on what you can make per sale. Use the power of social media. One thing most marketers agree upon is that making use of social media channels such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube is a great way to promote products online. You need to find out which sites your target audience hangs out at most often so you know where to focus your efforts when trying to make money online. As an affiliate marketer, building a website can be time-consuming, but it's also another way that some marketers have found success making money online with affiliate marketing. Write reviews. Reviewing products has been another successful way of making money with affiliate marketing. You just want to make sure that you're honest and not posting false reviews or using bots. Here are some tips to help you find the perfect affiliate program for your needs. First, do your research. Ask around about which companies are paying affiliates best these days. Browse websites like Commission Junction to see what companies offer affiliate programs and which ones seem like a good fit for you. Consider any other business ventures that may compete with this company as well. For example, if you have an e-commerce store, avoid companies that already have retail stores. Once you've found a company that seems like a good match for your product or service niche, research the company's policies thoroughly before signing up as an affiliate. You want to make sure they really ads on certain sites. Finally, once you've done all of this research and signed up as an affiliate with the right company, start earning money.